Schlebach Quadro Plus versus NTM's SSQ MultiPro. Which one is right for your business? Hey, this is Rick from New Tech Machinery. In today's video, we're comparing two titans in the portable roll forming industry, the Schlebach Quadro Plus and NTM's SSQ II MultiPro. We'll go over profile options, speed, controller types, and more, so you can get a detailed comparison of both machines. Let's dive in. First up, profile capabilities. Both the Quadro Plus and the SSQ II MultiPro are multi-profile machines that produce standing seam, flush wall, and soffit panels. The SSQ II also offers its signature board and batten siding profile. The Quadro Plus can run up to 11 roof panel profiles, while the SSQ II MultiPro can run 16 roof and wall panel profiles. One difference with the Quadro is that it uses a rotating cassette with tooling on both sides for easy profile changeovers for its residential profiles. Keep in mind, if you're using more than just two profiles on the cassette, you'll have to switch out cassettes, which requires a forklift. Meanwhile, the SSQ II's quick change tooling allows one operator to complete changeovers in less than an hour, making them easy to do even on the job site. Also, the Quadro Plus shear cuts from the entry point, or what's called the pre-cut, and the SSQ II cuts at the exit end of the machine, or what's called the post-cut. The pre-cut requires less lubrication and you don't have to change dies. However, some panels run better on post-cut, like high strength and heavy gauge steels. Also, shorter panels can't be run with pre-cut shears, whereas post-cut can handle as short as 3-inch or 4-inch panels. Next up, speed. The Quadro Plus has a standard forming speed of up to 70 feet per minute. The SSQ MultiPro has a standard forming speed of 75 feet per minute, so they're pretty equally matched as far as speed. Take a look at this chart to see the comparison between the dimensions of the Quadro Plus and the SSQ II MultiPro. Next up, material usage. The Quadro Plus can run steel, aluminum, copper, and zinc. The SSQ II can run painted steel, painted aluminum, copper, and turncoat stainless steel. Down to control options. Both machines come with computerized controllers. The Quadro includes a Siemens touchscreen controller batch control system. Users can program jobs directly into the controller. The machine can be run fully automated or in full manual control mode. The SSQ has the optional unique automatic control system. A USB port allows for uploading or downloading a cut list. Exact lengths and quantities can be programmed, and the unique controller features a coil calculator for estimating the amount of material, job and entry functions, and machine settings. These options help with panel length programming, batch jobs, and automated operation for smoother operation on site. Last up is training. Training is required for the Quadro Plus on-site or in-house by a metal forming technician to validate the machine's warranty. There is a fee of $185 per hour in-house or at your location, plus travel expenses and incidentals for the tech to come to you. New Tech Machinery, on the other hand, does not require training to validate the machine warranty, but training is highly recommended. In-house training is free to new machine owners at the main plant in Aurora, Colorado. On-site training is $500 per day, plus trainer travel expenses and incidentals. So what's the bottom line? There's no question that both the Quadro Plus and the SSQ II represent the finest in portable roll formers. They're sturdy and they fabricate great panels. That said, the SSQ II's portability is hard to beat. You can go with the gas engine power when you're on the road. The Quadro, on the other hand, requires a generator as it's all electric. Also, while the notcher is built into the SSQ II, with the Quadro Plus, it's a separate unit requiring extra transport space. For a full side-by-side breakdown, check out the article linked right here. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about portable roll formers. We'll see you in the next video.